What's going on, guys? Devin here, back with another video for you today. We traded three different tickers, four trades, two on Tesla today, one on the SPY itself, usually don't trade that, and one on Apple. A couple mediocre setups, not a clear entry really. It could have worked, maybe, ended up not working, obviously. Really just hammering home quality over quantity, just kind of just, oh, this could work, take it. Not what I want to be doing. I want to be waiting for the A setups. Some technical problems this morning. I wasn't having any volume loaded, and I couldn't see some of the option chain and on the bid and the ask, so that made it a little bit more difficult in the morning. Just everything together kind of combined with some bad trading. Managed to finish the day green. I had an awesome win on the SPY. You see there at 400 on that, up $67 on the day. So let's go ahead and I'll go over kind of chronologically how I traded them, and I'll show you what I did. So first we had Tesla. We had this 192.12 level that I was looking at. I was looking for it to come into that level and then kind of just break down. We actually ended up popping through it. I had to stop out, and then when it came back down, I was looking to take it long, and then we came through it. So, I just opposite of what I should have been in. It kind of just whipped up and down, and I didn't really capture anything great there. So, yeah, the first one, if I go the 5 minute here. So 930, these are the puts. It came up into that level. I bought one around 287. Or I bought two, I sold one as we came into the pre-market high, and then we came down here, came back up. I bought another one, shot through, and I stopped out. And, it ended up going all the way. Contracts to 196. I had an average of about $1 up, so it's good I stopped out of that. Took a $75 loss, not horrible because I sold one, so reduced my risk a little bit. It looked like we were strong, so I sold it. Then I switched and went to the 200 calls. So that I bought at 950. So I think that was, yeah, right when we came into VWAP, a little bit over the pre-market consolidation. For the retest, for the move higher, for a double top I'd be selling, and I bought two contracts there again, and it just went straight through the level. And I was wrong, and I had to stop out. I took a $106 loss. So kind of just flip-flopped on Tesla, broke through, and then shot through all the levels. Really not solid, like they're not really key levels. It's a good pivot. It could have worked. It didn't work. I took my loss on it. 180 on that name, out. That's all right. I don't I don't know if that, maybe the first trade was okay. It's hard to say. I need to look at more in depth. Like it really was, I should have been taking this trade. There's probably other better setups out there I could have been using this capital for. But let's go ahead and go on to the next one here. Then I traded Apple, which actually did work, but I had a poor entry. Let's see here. Apple was the 180 puts. Yeah, so I had an average of 245. So let me go to 30 minute here. So Apple is kind of in this descending wedge here. So looking for it to come into the top as well as this 180.29 level, which was the double bottom. That's when I traded short here. Awesome move on that. Came through. Kind of a pivot yesterday or on Friday. And yeah, I was looking for it basically come into this cross right here for the move lower, which it did. Solid plan. Let's see if I can get this chart to load. Right, so to my chart today, just being weird, no time, I guess. So yeah, we basically right at the open, we shot into this level here, and I think I was taking it around right under 180. So I was taking it under this level here, and I still had another 30 cents, 40 cents that it could have worked. It was just about into this level here. So I bought, we came up a little bit more. I bought some more. I had four contracts at around 245. So that's about normal size for me. Nothing crazy. Yeah, and I basically stopped out as it pushed over, wicked at the dead bottom here. And unfortunately ended up working all the way without me up to 340. So right idea. If I took less size on it, it would have worked because I would have had a larger stop. And actually, like 209 wasn't even supposed to be my stop. It was supposed to be 220 on it. But I was having problems with my data. I just restarted the platform and I just sold it. I don't know. I was having some technical problems, especially on this trade, with my platform not showing the proper bid and ask. The volume wasn't there. My charts weren't showing up. So I just kind of sold it, and that's kind of what happened there. It just wicked above. Good idea. Entry I should have been a little more patient with. Maybe taking a little bit less size so I could have had more than just my risk that I had on 25 cents. Other than that, it was solid. Just maybe a little more patience on the entry. And it was hard with the technical problems, but that's pretty much what happened with that one. So it took 151 1.5R, not what I wanted. Only 1R on that, so that's all right. And then I started seeing the SPY moving. Let me show you that one. Yeah, so the SPY, we have this 284.20 level that it just, gapped down, open there, came up to it yesterday. So I'm looking for a double top on this, triple top with the open there. So yeah, basically we came up in the morning through that. Let me load up the contracts here. 284 puts. This was an awesome trade. Came up to this level. I was taking puts all right in here. I took 10 contracts at 59 cents, so $590 position size. Solid. I could have taken even more. My position size probably 4 to 800, right around there, $800, depending on the contract price, how many I'm taking. Yeah, so I took 10, and then I had this line here, right at around 1017. As we start coming into this level, I was taking off majority. I took off about 9 out of the 10 here, and then I held the last one until we came to the pivot point here around 140 on the contract. So I don't think I should have been taking off so many at this level. That really wasn't a solid level here, just kind of a descending line. Maybe I could have sold half here, taken off 4 and still be holding 1, or taken off the rest of them towards the bottom here. It was pretty decent. I think we kept bouncing. We've been bouncing off of it. Good entry. That was an A setup, triple top. Awesome entry. Patience on selling. I should have held maybe a little bit more, and I was selling down near my level. So, $400 on winner on that. 4 to 1 risk reward. So that was awesome. Yeah, so I'm finishing up 25% accuracy, finishing up $67. Not bad, but I could have taken away a couple of those errors and I would have been up maybe 400, even more. Maybe I have a $200 day after a couple losers, but that's the way it goes. Technical problems, not really hitting the quality I wanted to today. So just tomorrow I need to slow down a little bit, look for my really good entries and work with that. Not force anything, not take anything early. Just wait for those trades and I'll have a day like this. So with that, that pretty much wraps it up. That's everything I traded today. So hope you like it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, comment. What did you trade? And we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.